Hello and welcome to today's video. So on the workbench today we've got an Evnetics Soliton 1. This one came in with a shorted IGBT. It's been replaced. You can see here that dead shorted. The other IGBT in here is still good. Can go the other way here. We can measure the diode. But yeah, dead. So conveniently they give you a little schematic on the side here, but yeah. The second one on there is dead. So went ahead and replaced that, rebuilt it all, and this is the video showing it working. We've got the isolation transformer, variac, capacitor, bridge rectifier capacitor to get DC, and then we've just got a load on here because I already had it hooked up. And yeah, ready to test. Got the motor. So go ahead and turn on power here. Let it boot up. Pre-charge, good to go. And then we'll give it a little bit of throttle. And a little pot here. It's very sensitive. There you go. Got it just spinning. Give it a little bit more. Yeah, too much. Well, you get the idea. It's just barely spinning. Well, it's working. it's a torque, so it's current. I'm controlling the current, and yeah, there's no load on my motor, so of course it spins away, runs at full throttle, or full RPM. But it looks like it's working now. So go ahead and put the cover on all the remaining bolts there, and should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, let me turn this off here.